Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 North American vehicles, including muscle cars and other classics available for sale across North America for under $15,000. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's get on with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started with this 1968 AMC Rambler American, listed for $11,000 US in Oxnard, California. It is a manual transmission and from the seller's description. 1968 AMC Rambler American, inline 6 engine and a 3 on the tree transmission. Front and back seats have been reupholstered, brand new tires on original AMC Scrambler wheels. And up next we have this 1961 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $13,000 US in Appomattox, Virginia. Its condition is listed as used good and from the seller's description. Thunderbird V8 4-barrel, 390 horsepower, power brakes, power steering, restored in 2017. Okay, here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Corvair 110 Monza, listed for $13,985 US in Nashville, Illinois. It's been driven 63,435 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1965 Chevy Corvair convertible, straight and solid body, runs and drives excellent, new convertible top, newer tires. The interior is very nice with the exception of a couple of splits in the seats. Alright, here we have a 1963 Ford Econoline E150 Cargo, listed for $12,000 US in Muscatine, Indiana. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description. 1963 Ford Econoline, straight 6, 3 on the tree, runs, drives, and stops as it should, only gets driven a few times a year, always starts right up. Okay, here we have a 1951 Plymouth Cranbrook, listed for $10,500 US in Cumberland, Rhode Island. It is an automatic transmission and from the seller's description. 1951 Plymouth Cranbrook, automatic 350, car runs awesome, mint interior, will trade for a 1950s truck. And here we have a Studbaker Avante, listed for $11,500 US in Daytona Beach, Florida. It's been driven 80,000 miles and has an automatic transmission, listed in good condition and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Studbaker Avante, mid-cost paint job, but body is in really nice condition. Original small block Chevy, turbo 350 transmission, new 15-inch tires, brakes are new, AC works, power windows work, appears to be the original interior that is in great condition. $11,500 or best offer, no trades. Alright, here we have a 1972 Chevrolet Corvette, listed for $13,800 US in Hoover, Alabama. It's been driven 40,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, great car, zero issues, too many new parts to name, brand new interior, restored 15 years ago, and has been well kept since. New Corvette 350 crate motor. Okay, here we have a 1964 Ford Ranchero, listed for $15,000 US in Greensville, Alabama. It has an automatic transmission, listed in good condition, and has a clean title. Seller's description is redundant. It simply says 1964 Ford Ranchero. Alright, another Rambler here. This is a 1964 AMC Rambler American, listed for $9,500 US in Peoria, Arizona. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. Fun car to drive, needs some TLC, motor is a 196 with a manual transmission. And here we have a 1974 Chevrolet Vega GT, listed for $8,000 US in East Hampton, Massachusetts. It's been driven 117,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, comes with the original build sheet from the dealership. Underneath is solid, runs good. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking on the button below or using the link in the channel description. For the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every one of my videos before they go live on YouTube, usually at least 24 hours ahead of going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.